almost one shot, okay, which is
My first Sachin memory, even I don't remember because I'm a Shivaji Park boy. Okay? I have played at Ramakant Achrekar Cricket Academy.
bowling, and I asked my dad, I'm like, Papa, ये तो कपिल देव के साथ पहली बार हुआ होगा. My dad like,
पहली बार.
like छक्के मारा के there, and I was trying to start like chants, okay? Nobody's, because there's nobody chanting anymore. So I was like, man on a mission, Ishan Kishan, like easy one, okay? And I'm like, man, like nobody's.
Yeah, I just want to say, whoever's recruiting, making myself available.
Vodka!
It's episode 10 of the Crickheads podcast.
Sachin for a reason.
That's right. This
Yes.
gag will never end. This for a reason gag.
Not a reason and for a reason, and that's why Sachin for a reason. That's why I'm wearing Mumbai towel.
Wow, Mumbai. Hey, this doesn't look like Mumbai Indians. It's a slightly different branding. Mumbai Maestros.
Yeah.
What is that? You want to tell them,
Yes,
Rija?
but before we start, we have to welcome our guest. First time ever we have a guest on our show.
Yes.
It's episode 10. We have opening batsman and first change medium bowler. And
Orange and blue cap.
and closing act. Saurabh Pant.
Saurabh Pant.
Forced to opening bat out of guilt. To give you context, we played a match. You want to talk about it?
Yes, we
Go
should
for it.
start with that. We should tell Shamik, who has not played.
I have been unsold in the auction.
Unsold, uncapped, everything. Okay, I'm removing this towel. Okay.
So there was a comedians Premier
Yes.
League called CPL in Chandigarh.
Yes.
And-
CPL?
yeah.
Comedian Premier League.
Yeah.
Was it? Yeah, it was CPL.
Okay, yeah.
And so we
Till
went there.
CCL, Comedians Cricket League.
Comedians Cricket League. Sorry,
Yeah,
you're right.
yeah,
Yeah, CCL. So it was CCL, and we were playing as Mumbai Maestros.
Yeah.
And I basically identify as a bowler. Okay?
He kept changing it throughout.
No, because then I realized that everybody's skill levels are pretty low. So I can upgrade
So you
mine.
were like non-binary.
So the first match, I didn't get to bowl. Right?
Oh.
First innings, I didn't get to bowl. So out
Okay.
of guilt, everybody's like, "Arey, come on, we should give him something." So they just decided open batting. I'm like, never open batting in my life. Okay?
Who was
He
this-
won us the match.
Who was this coach who had this brilliant instinct?
It was, I was going to say a name which I can't say because that person is in. Anyway,
Beeped it.
I was going to say.
But you want to tell them, like, you guys won, right?
We won. So I'll tell you the format. There were 3 teams. Okay? There was Mumbai, Chandigarh and Delhi.
Whoa.
We were playing for Mumbai. Okay? Unofficial, thinking. क्या बोलते हैं? Think tank. Unofficial
tank.
think tank. Yes. अरे भाई जीते हम जी इसको फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा. मेरे लाइफ का हाईलाइट था वो लास्ट ईयर. पहली बात हम लोग को चंडीगढ़ में ये लोग ने अच्छे होटल में रखा है 4 दिन के लिए. सबको किट नया सब कपड़े वपड़े
Kit?
एक्स्ट्रा abdomen गार्ड एक्स्ट्रा सपोर्टर लाइक रणजी
Because they know one is going to break during the match. One for the gag, one for the...
और वो किधर गया किसी को मालूम नहीं. गायब हो गया सब.
सब गायब हो
सारे
गया.
पैड्स वगैरह वापस आगे अगले साल इस्तेमाल करेंगे कि नहीं मालूम नहीं.
पैड दिया, मतलब पूरा
Pads
कॉफिन भर के दिया उन्होंने.
अरे प्रॉपर. और मतलब कैसा कि हम लोग का टीम का सी ना कलर ऑरेंज एंड
हाँ,
ब्लू. ठीक है, तो हम लोग को ऑरेंज पैड्स लाइक तो वो कलर भी वैसे कोट करके प्रॉपर. हम लोग ने रणजी प्लेयर से ज्यादा बजट था ये. और हमने चंडीगढ़ में वो स्टेडियम में खेला है जो 96 वर्ल्ड कप में वहाँ पे वर्ल्ड कप की मैच हुई थी.
क्या बात कर रहा है? I didn't know this
Yeah,
part.
yeah,
dude.
that's what they told me.
If you knew
That-
the
my
history,
God.
bro, you wouldn't have
Shit.
taken those wickets. The
Too
pressure
much
would have
pressure
been
for the
too much.
legacy.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
But also the boundary was like 2 yards. It's
The best.
like,
The
come hit a 6.
first match we
Yeah.
are playing, okay? We are
Yeah.
bowling, ठीक है? And every over, till the third over, we were changing sides. And in the third over, they realized नहीं होने वाला ये tournament.
दोनों साइड से कैमरा नहीं लगा रहे वैसे भी.
It's literally that. Okay. Dude, so okay, you finish this thing and then I'll tell you about the streaming. Huh?
Yes, and then we have like really top-notch cricketers like Vinay Sharma and Puneet Pania. People with flat feet and like other disorders.
No, Vinay Sharma was good. Yeah,
Vinay Sharma was
you're talking
still
about Sumit
good.
Saurabh.
Sumit Saurabh was
Sumit
also
Saurabh
there.
and
Oh,
Puneet Pania
legend.
both. Yeah, like Puneet
Not-
Pania once fell down, landed on his head, let the ball go to the boundary, and our big concern was not Puneet Pania, but where did the boundary go? You start realizing how selfish you are while playing cricket. You're like, Puneet mar gaya, like boundary ki nahi sale.
I'm guessing at some point while you were playing, you had the realization that some cricketers were there for the the cricket, and some were just there to do time pass. And y'all are now the time pass ones. That's for sure.
Dude, our team, nobody expected. It was Delhi and Chandigarh and Mumbai, and हमारे टीम ने किसी ने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया हम जीतने. हम लोग चाइना गेट मूवी के तरह थे. One last mission.
China Gate.
We were like,
Last में छम्मा छम्मा किया ही नहीं after that.
जगीरा को हराना है बस.
I'm Danny Denzong Papa.
Oh fuck.
But it's crazy that y'all won a 3-team tournament. Congratulations.
Acha, how did we win? We've not even told him that
Yeah,
story.
so the
Yeah.
first match they scored 78 or something, I think it was.
In
This
10
is a
overs.
10 overs.
10
over
overs.
match,
Oh,
and
Duckworth,
which was a
Duckworth
lot, I
was.
think, at the time.
Yeah.
And then
Yeah.
I was opening batting. and
Pre-match, you don't know this, by the way.
Huh.
Me, Vipul Goyal, and some 2-3 players, we've had one dhaba se paneer makhani, paratha,
Breakfast.
dal makhani, like 4.
Breakfast of champions.
Yeah, lunch of champions, 4 o'clock match, and then Shivankit, our main bowler, ठीक है, 6 फुट 3 इंच का एकदम ripped fucking actor, हम लोगों को stretches करा रहा है. And we-
that was hilarious because like out of 14 people, I think 7 just quit like after the third stretch. Like, this is done. We are comedians.
warm up हो चुका है.
We're saving it for the game.
And Shivankit was like, listen guys, listen up. Everybody like head rate, chill.
शिवांकित द ओनली पर्सन जिसने टी शर्ट अंदर टक किया था क्योंकि उसका पेट फ्लैट है. हम बाहर निकाल के पेट ना ले.
I like people go like head rate नहीं. He just walked off.
We were in the final and Vipul chose to commentate the next day. He's like, मुझे commentary करनी है.
Who has retired from cricket in the
So
3?
can I tell you my favorite moment was this moment? I mean, aside from us winning another shit game.
Yeah.
So Vipul Goyal has become a commentator now. Right?
Yeah.
He was ex-Mumbai player, now current commentator. He starts trolling us only in the commentary box. Okay, so and then I think halfway through he realized that people are getting affected, so he starts not trolling us.
Oh, it's on a loudspeaker,
On a
right?
loudspeaker, every
Loudspeaker पूरा स्टेडियम सुन रहा है क्योंकि पहले दिन वो लोग ने एक चंडीगढ़ का कोई लोकल डाला था
हाँ.
कमेंटेटर एंड ऑफ कोर्स देयर आर लाइक सम 50 कॉमिक्स हियर.
Yeah.
तुम नॉर्मल कमेंटेटर और वो कुछ
Boring.
नहीं, वो बस वो एक क्या व्हाट वाज ही सेइंग ओ किद्दा चंडीगढ़ समथिंग ही वाज सेइंग देयर वाज ही हैज अ
वो
कैच
इसके
फ्रेज.
पास रहेंगे 10-15
एक कैच
lines.
फ्रेज था किद्दा चंडीगढ़ और
But
समथिंग.
dude, you guys were basically to add some respect to what you all did. You played under more pressure than a professional cricketer because Kohli doesn't hear the commentator saying while he's batting, oh he's out of form, he's not
yeah.
scored runs. You guys are hearing it while.
No, but
we were
that's
getting
the
trolled.
tournament. Like next day we've told
Yeah.
Vipul Goyal, by the way, bowls very good leg spin. I was
Okay.
very surprised. It was like
Very
nice
good, yeah.
drift and it was
Yeah,
amazing.
loopy.
So okay, this is my favorite thing. Okay, so Vipul
Yeah.
Goyal comes and bowls the first over. First time we're seeing Vipul Goyal. My God, beautiful leg. We are like, boss, Vipul Goyal जिताएगा ये match. Must. Second over Vipul comes. First ball he balls गिर जाता है. ठीक है. And we are all like running. We are like, Vipul ठीक है. ठीक है, सब कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, ठीक है. And then we're like, okay, are you okay? He's like, हाँ मैं डालेगा. He bowls like again. He bowls again before he's reached the crease. And we're like,
Twice.
Vipul,
like-
जा तेरे corporate shows हमें आ जाएंगे. And that's when he realizes that whatever.
Oh,
So
like
then
nice.
he's forced into the commentary box.
Yeah.
Okay? And my favorite commentary he does is he's in commentary. He's like, अच्छा अगला bowler है Munawar, and he sees Dudeja. And the guy corrects him saying नहीं वो Dudeja है. And people say ये तो 350 से कम वाले सब्सक्राइबर वाले कमेडियन होते मैं मानते नहीं हूँ. I'm seeing, and we are all used to people doing this kind of shit.
Yeah,
Okay? I see Dudeja go like, it's like what?
He bowls it towards the commentary box.
No, I was also laughing, but I was like, भाई अभी pressure situation है यार, रुक 2 मिनट रुक जा.
Yeah,
Like,
you should take a photo of Vipul, put it on the stumps, and then it's worth it.
Yeah, but the first match, Saurabh Pant made us win the match. But you know what happened? We needed some 20 runs or something. So
Yeah,
the
27 of
format
12
is
runs,
in Mumbai plays Chandigarh once, Delhi once, and Delhi and Chandigarh play once. 3
I
match
got
on
it.
day
I
one.
figured it out.
ठीक है. So
This complicated.
There is only one possible format with 3 teams.
dude, the bowler bowls some 15 wides and no balls.
The bowler.
Yeah,
The bowler.
He bowled, I think, 3 wides, and then he bowled 2 long hops, and it was great. Yeah.
And then Saurabh ने क्या मतलब जीता है हम लोग को.
Dude,
ये
but the
brought
best
us-
was
you
Mohammad
brought them
Sohail.
back.
Mohammad Sohail, okay, another like guy who you don't expect to
Yeah.
bowl well.
Yeah.
Dude, that guy's like, oh ho ho.
He's a natural.
He's a natural. He bowled like, you know how he trolls comedians on
Yeah.
Instagram stories?
Yeah, yeah.
That's him while bowling. I really enjoyed his
Wow.
bowling.
Basically, all the slow bowlers
Yeah.
were doing really well.
They were accurate.
Yeah,
It's
they were
more
accurate,
about accuracy.
and they're
right?
outside off, and everyone wants to play like across the line.
Corridor of uncertainty में डाल रहे थे.
Yeah, they were the best.
You know how we won the final, by the way? was we were just discussing. तो बॉल वो विंड बॉल होती है, ठीक है, तो विंड बॉल में सीम होता है, तो सीम से पकड़ोगे you literally it's hard to control because there's dew factor.
जी हाँ भाई, भागते भागते पहली बार मुझे ड्यू फैक्टर फील हुआ है, मेरी लोअर बैक दुखने लग गया. I was almost kidding, like
So Dudeja comes and he's like, dude, I'm bowling cross seam, everybody bowl cross seam, no wides. And we're
Yeah.
like, yeah, we'll just, this is the only policy.
Your
We don't care
strategy
about
is
it,
no
just
wides.
Yeah. And we won by 7 runs.
7-8 runs. Yeah.
And the difference was the wides.
Extras.
So extras matter.
Extras
Did you know this?
Important. That's
I think at a 6th over, 15 ओवर की मैच है, 131, they are 65 runs. इसकी बॉलिंग आई नहीं है 7th ओवर के पहले. 65 for no loss. Our only conversation is कि guys थोड़ा gracefully हारते हैं. Like इतना easily नहीं हारना.
wow. And you turned into a win.
We turned it into a win then because it was him and Gopal Dutt, another great slow, like a loopy type bowler.
Yeah.
Within the next, basically they were at 110 or 115 at the end of the 14th over. And our main, by the way, Shivankit, our main bowler, अपना बुमराह स्टाइल में भी डालता है वो इंजर हो गया.
Yeah.
और जबकि मेरे को बॉलिंग करनी नहीं, तो मैं चक करता हूँ. सेकेंडली मेरे को बहुत मारा था उसके एक दिन पहले दिल्ली के
अच्छा, तो
against.
तू सीरियस प्लेयर है बॉम्बे टीम में और तू चक करता है.
मैं चक करता हूँ.
ये तो
बट
नहीं
हमारा
बोला
मेन
But I don't
बॉलर,
think he chucks. I think people, लोग ऐसे ही
लोग बोलते हैं
poll
वही.
कर रहे थे. I don't think he was
मैं भी वो मुरलीधरन जैसे लगा
मुरली
के
वाला
आता हूँ
मतलब.
कि सी इज इट बेंडिंग.
It's
put a
an
lead
agenda.
pipe here.
It's an agenda against you because
Yes.
you're taking wickets.
yeah, and I'm not that popular yet.
yeah.
Delhi team was all about like जिसके सब्सक्राइबर्स ज्यादा है उसको पहले बॉलिंग और बैटिंग.
अच्छा.
हमारे सबके कम है. So everybody's like, चलो.
Yeah, Mumbai team was just very democratic because of medium
Yeah, medium
popularity.
level, yeah.
But
Yeah.
it's classic. Maharashtra again dominates in the local
Dude,
cricket.
but we
Yeah.
like, dude. So we beat first match. We beat Chandigarh somehow. Okay, then Chandigarh somehow destroyed Delhi.
Yeah.
Complete because Delhi was the favorites.
Yeah.
And then we are like, oh shit, okay, because then we knew Delhi was going to dude,
Yeah.
they destroyed us. in the
Rohit
third
Singh
match.
from Delhi
Yeah,
played
Rohit
an
Singh's very
IPL
good.
innings.
He's very good.
IPL innings. Some
Yeah,
we-
65 of 3 balls. like,
अभिषेक शर्मा स्टाइल. We had to win. We had to just make sure. हम लोग ने कुछ 120 बनाया 10 ओवर में. वो भी बिकॉज हरीश गुजराल ने वो एक ओवर डाला जिसमें कुछ 8 वाइड और 3 नो बॉल आ गए, जिसमें निशांत तनवर ने लाइक दैट लगान प्लेयर जाके चिल्ला के.
so this is great. Okay, Nishant Tanwar comes. Okay, Nishant Tanwar knows one shot, okay, which is so Nishant Tanwar is killing it because the bowlers are just bowling
Yeah.
slow bounces to
Okay.
be smashing it. And it's like,
Oh god.
it's fucking great.
and there were so many no balls. At one point I had to remind Nishant, फ्री हिट अभी भी चल रहा है, आप खेल मारना.
And I think he got out eventually, and then he comes back and just very angry. I'm like, Nishant, chill. You done, man.
That's a good strategy to avoid getting hit in a free hit is keep bowling no balls until the excitement goes from the batter. कि अभी कौन हो गया भाई.
And then we lost that match, but we had to win. We had to lose it after 8.1 or 7.1.
Yeah, something like
7.1 overs से
Oh.
ज़्यादा अगर 7 पॉइंट पे आन के पहले हो जाता तो दिल्ली would have qualified. 8.1 के पहले हो जाता तो चंडीगढ़ would be out, then Delhi would qualify. But luckily we took it till the 10th over,
Yeah.
and Delhi
And the
won.
rest is history.
Rest is
The rest is
history.
history, you know.
Yeah.
And by the way, that first match, okay, it's probably the third time in my life that I've made my team win out of nowhere. And there is no fucking video footage available because
of a final.
I've asked them 15 times and I'm like, I get it that I don't have
It's
that
like
many
Kapil
subscribers.
Paji's 175 against Zimbabwe.
And so, you know why it's not there, okay? So the first, they were playing music in the ground.
Yeah.
And Bollywood music. And I was telling them, I'm like, boss, ये allowed है क्या? They're like, हाँ sir, कोई tension नहीं है.
Copyright.
I'm like, boss, so they uploaded the stream with the whole match, right? And immediately got a strike. So then they started a second channel and started again with the Bollywood music. Second channel also strike. Then they are promoted. Then the match is uploading. We were checking out what some Kabaddi League of Chandigarh is the channel where this match
Oh
is.
god. It's like,
So there is no footage anywhere of
Yeah,
it.
no.
but it's happening again this year
oh yeah.
at Dharamshala Stadium, guys.
Insane.
I can't imagine the death of cricket. That's going to happen.
Hey, but by the way, dude, so the final match, okay, a professional cricketer comes in the
Yeah.
ground, okay, who's friends with Harsh Gujral and Bassi.
We can name him, I
Yeah,
guess.
Piyush Chawla.
Piyush Chawla, yeah.
And Piyush Chawla is watching all this shit like, what the
He's laughing. Like, he thinks it's a comedy show.
yeah. And we are taking it very seriously.
Yeah.
Because,
That makes it funnier. Like, this is they're putting their effort, and this is what is the outcome. But
I met Piyush Chawla for I think some Mumbai Indians gig. I completely forgot to remind him about this. He would have walked off the stage.
but yeah, it's gonna happen again this year, I believe. And
End of September.
Yeah, I just want to say, whoever's recruiting, I'm open. I'm
Shamik
putting,
is on bench right now.
yeah, I'm making myself available.
If we win, Shamik will only get 1 crore and we'll get 5 each.
Yeah, I'm stretching my hamstrings already. Please let me
Dude,
know.
they should have an auction. That'll be fucking fun.
Yeah.
By the way, we are seeing videos of Delhi and Chandigarh just training, like
Yeah.
Akash Gupta training the ball and Sumit Anand, like all.
आकाश गुप्ता उसमें भी act out कर रहा है.
And
Like
like he's
really
batting
well.
genuinely well, right?
Yeah, he's a good
हम
player.
सब
Yeah,
गार्ड
yeah.
फटी हुई है कि
हाँ.
बॉस हमने एक बार मतलब 2 साल में किसी ने बैट नहीं उठाया,
Oh, fuck.
12 साल से किसी को
I
करके
have one story.
Yeah.
हम लोग ने जाने के पहले एक नेट सेशन किया.
Yeah.
Net session is at 3 o'clock. I reach at 3:02. Vinay Sharma is already walking out
He's injured,
with
right?
an injury. I was like, भाई 2 मिनट हुआ, अब तक तो वार्म अप भी नहीं हुआ है. तो उसने अपना हाथ नेट के अंदर डाल दिया while bowling. I was like, ये कैसे possible
The very
है?
nets which are there to protect you are the source of harm.
And then I was laughing at Vinay. I'm like, oh God, whatever the thing is. Okay, now the problem is that I play cricket with 8-year-olds in my
Yeah.
building with my son and his friends. I'm used to वो बच्चों का बैट होता है ना, वो 0 size, 2 size, 4 size. I'm used to the width of that. तो मैं यहाँ पर एक flick shot खेला and I hit my leg very hard and I also get injured. So
Nets में.
If the whole team gets all self-inflicted injuries.
Anirban Dasgupta, okay? Anirban Dasgupta in the match, okay? Like we generally thought he was dead okay, because he had fallen on the floor and he's cramping and then we had to carry him to the physio. It's insane. Like everybody realized how unfit like the
This
levels
is
are.
while fielding.
While bowling,
While
batting,
bowling.
everything. वो कुछ नहीं कर पा. He's a great player. He's
Yeah.
actually above average in all sports.
Yeah, he used to
Yeah,
play
yeah.
at some level.
But he has
He's
zero
good, yeah.
fitness.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
he is like panting.
Yeah.
And the thing is, वहाँ पे पता है क्या हो रहा है? Like वहाँ पे मैं बता रहा हूँ, मतलब खातिरदारी ऐसी चल रही है कि छोटे छोटे मशरूम स्लाइडर्स आ रहे हैं. रेड बुल का पूरा वहाँ पे फ्रिज लगा हुआ है.
It's a Seat Tires mushroom slider timeout.
एंड ORS दिए जा रहे हैं. मतलब ऐसे हम लोग को मतलब सच में IPL जितना
CPR दिया जा रहा है.
मैंने IPL में भी फ्रिज नहीं देखा है नीचे.
It's more decadent than anything the actual cricketer has been
Dude, so
given.
the first match we got done, okay? And I was like, I'm definitely scored a triple century at a minimum. My score was 31 of 22 balls, okay? And I was dead. I had to go to the physio. And the physio is like massaging me. I'm like, can I live now? And then I was the first one to go to the physio. And after that, the physio was busy for 2.5 days.
Yeah, everyone, we all went to the
Everyone
physio.
say, oh, this is an option. Chalo, सब लोग चलते हैं फिर. But
And physio has no table. Doing it on the floor.
where's the money for that? They spent it all on sliders.
Oh, on the dining table. We removed the sliders and put me
Put the dining table. Man, I didn't expect the episode will be all about this so far.
No, but like Dhruv Bakshi, super guy.
Superb guy
and great
from
job and
Chandigarh.
hope it works well. And you're also part of the Bangalore
Please,
Blasters
yeah.
team.
Is it Bangalore Blasters?
I'm sure-
if there's
That's
a-
the name we are giving, Dhruv Bakshi.
Yeah, if there's a
you're
Bangalore team, I'm
watching.
in. If there's Bombay team and no Bangalore team, I'm in. I can play either
Yeah.
team. I'll play. I heard Delhi people played for Chandigarh or something, so it doesn't matter.
Mohammad
really.
Sohail was supposed to play. First he said Delhi. Then I said come to Bombay and play for us. And then he didn't. And he went to Chandigarh. And he lost.
Oh.
And he lost. And I hit him two boundaries. तो बहुत अच्छा लगा मेरे को.
इसका रील डाल दे तू.
हाँ, ये रील डाल दूंगा.
Share-
मोहम्मद सोहेल.
मोहम्मद सोहेल को मतलब
Yeah,
क्या बोलते
फिर
हैं?
ट्रोल करते टाइम वो ये स्टोरी डालेगा. अगले साल मेरी विकेट लेके.
But सचिन पे आए थोड़ा. सचिन पे बोले.
सचिन,
तू.
yes.
10, yeah.
10.
Number 10, Sachin Tendulkar. We just because it's episode 10. Any excuse to talk about our old legend.
Our god.
Once
God
again.
of cricket.
Our child. What is your first? I would like to know your guys' first memory of Sachin. Because for me, I have no clear first memory. It was like Sachin was always there
Always,
in
हाँ.
my life.
How old are you?
I'm 35.
35. Okay. I'm 31.
So mine was literally, I remember there used to
Notice
be...
he didn't say his age. but
Yeah.
I'm a youth, you know. To quote Amit Sharma, by the way, we'll talk about the Amit Sharma.
Yeah, we
article.
will.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He said that मेरे कोच ने 1 साल कटवाया था मेरा ऐसा बीच. So he said, anyway.
Amit Mishra.
Amit Mishra.
हाँ,
sorry,
मैं वही बोला.
Mishra,
Amit
yeah.
Sharma.
Amit Mishra. So there used to be India versus New Zealand matches happening then, and we used to lose consistently there
Yeah.
because the grounds were small, but the swing was mad.
Yeah.
And Sachin, in the middle of this thing, was suddenly opening for the first time.
94. I think.
82 or 48 or something, I remember. He scored. I think something like that.
Yeah, he said I want to open.
Dude, I saw that live at 5:30 or whatever in the morning, and I was like, what the fuck
Yeah, that's never
You
is
remember this
happening?
memory?
Oh, I fully remember it
Wow.
because it's crazy.
That
You
strike
had
rate was never
anything.
seen
It
in-
was never
yeah,
seen, and I don't
yeah.
think even he's reached that.
Yeah.
Because the New Zealand bowlers were also so shocked at what is
Yeah.
happening.
Yeah.
I have never witnessed anything that crazy.
Wow.
I think the closest to I mean, I don't think anything comes close.
But did you watch Sachin before that, like when he's scoring those England centuries and
I don't
doing
think
well
he
in
had scored.
Australia? And he had he started opening in '94 or something. If
No,
I'm not
I'm
wrong.
talking way before that. This is the first
Oh.
time he had opened, I think.
Okay.
But I think this is the first time he had opened in like probably in 91. I'm
Oh,
talking. Yeah,
okay.
91, 90 something. Pretty early. I think I started watching cricket when I was 12. So about 93 maybe prior to
93.
that.
Yeah.
So
I'm 93 born.
yeah.
So yeah.
So that's when I started watching cricket.
Oh.
जब तू पैदा हुआ था.
Shit, I have to scratch my next question, which was, do you remember 83, the win?
Yeah, I was 2 years old. I remember.
He was in the movie also in '83 at the end. मैं भी cricketer बनूंगा, Sachin and Saurabh Pant together.
I was in that corny scene where they're trying to like also do a faith-based connections in the movie. Right?
yeah,
Like, out of
yeah.
completely nowhere.
My first Sachin memory, even I don't remember because see, I'm a Shivaji Park boy. ठीक है, I've played at Ramakant Achrekar Cricket Academy.
Whoa.
ठीक है, it's called Kamath Cricket Academy.
Name
So,
drop.
Yeah, name drop, man. So he used to be a very strict coach. ठीक है, वो बाजू में he used to sit and he used to like literally like abuse people. अगर वो सही बैटिंग नहीं करते थे, but उन्होंने मेरे को abuse नहीं किया. Like let me not waste my energy on this
Oh, I thought
batsman.
because he's like already good.
I mean, I'm very good. As you guys can see, my great career in a cricketing podcast. Only cricket podcast with non-cricketers.
No, there's lots. I think
Actually.
90% of cricket podcasts
Yeah.
are with non-cricketers.
But then Sachin, I met Sachin by the way as a child.
What?
Like there's a story.
Please.
Yeah, actually हुआ क्या था? I've been crazy about Sachin since childhood. Like for me it's always been Sachin and like nobody else. And right now after Sachin like left, मेरे लिए but before Sachin left, Rohit Sharma की batting देख के I was like, okay,
Yeah.
someone as good as Sachin is
Yeah.
also here.
Yeah.
So he has filled my Sachin void, Rohit basically. But मैं सचिन के पीछे पागल, मेरे बचपन से मिलना है. मेरे घर के पास में एक दुकान था राजू स्पोर्ट्स करके. एक बार हम 10 मिनट लेट पहुंचे. माई डैड न्यू द ओनर ऑफ द स्टोर. इट्स ओन्ड बाय राजू द क्रिकेटर राजू कुलकर्णी इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग. देयर इज अ क्रिकेटर, मुंबई क्रिकेटर. ही ओन्स दैट प्लेस. सो एनीवे, तो वो दुकान में जाते हैं. लाइक शिट, अब 10 मिनट पहले आते. सचिन अभी आया था दुकान पे एंड वी लाइक ओह शिट. व्हेन आई वाज वेरी यंग, फर्स्ट टाइम आई बॉट ग्लव्स. माय पेरेंट्स डिडंट नो एनीथिंग. वो मेरे को लेफ्टी के ग्लव लेके दे दिए काफी
Oh,
टाइम.
this is how Andy Flower also created.
Even Ganguly.
Ganguly.
So anyway, so years later I see this article in the newspaper. एक पाकिस्तानी बच्चे का वो make a wish type. He had like some terminal illness and उसको
and
मिल-
that's when you decided this is my path.
Identity
I
theft.
was like shit. Why don't I have a terminal? I was that crazy about
and then you
Sachin.
cleared the IAS also.
So then I'm like, dude, I want to meet Sachin. वो आदमी को दिल्ली में मिला, वो बच्चे को and all of that. उसके बाद बात किया. तो like मुझे सचिन को मिलना है. And then my mom called up Tendulkar's the restaurant या Sachin's the restaurant. He had both. वहाँ से हमने कोई email ID निकाली. ठीक है, और हमने उधर ईमेल किया कि whatever is a big fan this उसको मिलना है कभी ये वो. And we never expected a reply or anything.
Oh my god.
ठीक है, नथिंग. एंड माई मॉम हैज गिवन अ मोबाइल नंबर एंड एवरीथिंग. उस टाइम पे डेस्कटॉप होता था.
हाँ, हाँ.
तो उसके बाद एक रिप्लाई आया कि वी विल लेट यू नो व्हेनेवर सचिन इज इन टाउन और व्हाटएवर. ठीक है, कट टू Sachin gets tennis elbow after a few months. ठीक है, now he's in town for a few weeks and उस टाइम पे घर का पेंटिंग चल रहा था.
सचिन का?
डेस्कटॉप हमारे सचिन का भी हो सकता है बिकॉज उसका नया घर बन रहा होगा बैंड्रा पेरी क्रॉस
Abe
रोड.
Kuruvilla. हाँ, मैं पहुंच सकता है सचिन.
स्लिंग पहन के सचिन एक हाथ से पहन कर. हाँ.
तो एनीवे, सो सचिन का रिकवरी पीरियड चल रहा है एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. एंड मेरे घर पे पेंटिंग चल रही है तो डेस्कटॉप बंद है. वी सडनली गेट अ फोन कॉल सेइंग कि तुम्हें सचिन को मिलना है आज. यू कैन कम टू BKC. BKC पे उस टाइम MCA
Yeah.
बना नहीं था तब तक. उसका ग्राउंड था और प्रॉपर तबेले के बीच में हम लोग जा रहे थे एंड वी लाइक हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं.
What?
बट टू वी एंटर
It's a
इनसाइड.
mob hit type scene.
Yeah, it was completely empty. There's one ground and then एक साइड में नेट है और एक शेड है बस. और दूर से हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि सचिन वहाँ पे बैठा हुआ है, एक इंटरव्यू दे रहा है.
Wow.
And we go and the fuck up is, it was like a moment that I always wanted in my life. And मतलब I was like, ये कभी 9th standard में हुआ था मेरे साथ. The fuck up is I like froze when I met him. Like only my parents and my sister, they spoke to him and they said, and I just said, yeah, he knows everything about him. I'm like, yeah. Like I turned.
It'll be funny. It'll be funny if like his real voice is really heavy. You met him and he's like, hello.
Nice to see you.
I have a photo.
That's just something I do for the cameras.
That's what they say about Michael Jackson, right?
Yeah, he had the real. His
Yeah.
voice slips out sometimes.
Oh yeah?
yeah.
उसका कैसा था?
This is a normal like
Oh,
man voice.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
But उसका तो एकदम हाँ.
ऐसे करके
हाँ,
होता था.
हाँ.
But there's one place in a concert. He's like, thank you so much for coming, guys. आओ मिलके खेलते हैं. कौन बनेगा करो.
Dude, like you realize your sense of humor is completely fractured when like
Yeah.
random memes. Okay, so somebody put out a meme saying, my favorite singer in the 90s was George Michael Jackson, and his favorite song was Last Christmas You Beat Me. I forgot what the exact
Yeah.
joke was, but I
You
died. I
beat
was
it.
like laughing my dick off. Anyway, so then
You
So
met
then
Sachin,
I
then
met
you froze.
Sachin.
But what did he do? He talked to you.
He spoke to me, spoke to my parents because वो खुद भी बहुत shy आदमी है.
हाँ.
ठीक है, उसने मेरे parents से बात किया. Some दादर, my dad did some name drop and he's like, yeah, I know him. Some
सचिन के पेरेंट्स भी थे क्या?
सचिन के parents.
I like Dadar name drops like Oven Fresh मालूम आपको? हाँ, Oven Fresh बहुत अच्छा.
कीर्ति कॉलेज वड़ा पाव. एंड देन उसके बाद उसने प्रैक्टिस किया, मैं उसको प्रैक्टिस करते हुए देखा. देन कट टू ही गोज टू प्ले वेस्ट इंडीज एंड लाइक हांगकांग और सिंगापुर और वन ऑफ दीज एंड स्कोर्स 141.
Oh my god.
एंड आई एम लाइक आई एम
And
द
वो
लकी
t-shirt पे
चार्म.
लिखा था सिद्धार्थ थैंक्स फॉर मीटिंग मी व्हेन आई वाज डाउन.
आइला दूधू की वजह से.
That's the secret of his energy.
But that's great, dude. But how did this is? I guess you're the only people who put the effort to find the email address.
My mom,
and-
yeah, she did that.
Yeah, mom
and
did
then the good thing is वो उन्होंने कॉल भी किया. Like
Yeah.
बाद में जब हमने अपना 1 महीने बाद कंप्यूटर डेस्कटॉप खोला,
yeah.
तब पर देखा कि वो ईमेल आया था एक्चुअली.
So you owe this all to the heavy bats that Sachin used indirectly, right?
Yeah.
Because of which tennis elbow हुआ.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
then
yeah.
it
But
all
some free
worked
time
out.
in the peak of his career.
No, but it's a great story, man. Like you
Yeah.
have to, like that's a great email to have composed. If you have a
Yeah.
copy of that email,
Yeah.
like
Oh,
you should read
man.
out like that's a letter in a lesson in writing emails.
I
And in
should
that-
get it out.
And in that era, this just didn't happen. So
Yeah.
like
Ah.
that's a story no one will have.
Yeah.
But it's what you said, right? It's like it came from such a weird source.
Yeah.
Like right now, though, like anybody's DMing Sachin every day, like, hey, wow,
Yeah,
यार,
yeah.
ये तेरी
और
फिर
कोई
आई
ब्रांड रीजन के लिए you could meet also कि कैमरा लगा के
हाँ.
meet and greet हो भी जाएगा अभी.
एंड सचिन का फाइनल टेस्ट भी मैंने देखा था स्टेडियम में. द 2013-15 नवंबर वाला टेस्ट मैच.
It was
जो
against
West Indies.
वेस्ट
West
इंडीज
Indies, yeah.
जो अगेन वेस्ट इंडीज
Everything.
3 दिन में जो खत्म हो गए. सेकंड रोहित शर्मा का फर्स्ट डेब्यू था वो. उसने कैलकाटा में फर्स्ट टेस्ट खेला, उसमें सेंचुरी मारी थी आई थिंक रोहित शर्मा ने, इफ आई एम नॉट मिस्टेकन. इसमें भी मारी और इसमें हम लोग इतने गुस्से में थे ना कि लाइक भाई क्यों सेंचुरी मार रहा है. आउट हो जाना. सचिन को सेकंड टाइम देखना है.
This is
सेकंड डे
hilarious.
नाइट आई like cried like crazy because I was like, dude, I can't imagine a life after this. Like all my life has been like that is. And then his speech, of course, I saw it live and I got like Garware Pavilion. तो वो जो
Oh my
right
God.
next to the pavilion. तो I
ना
could see them.
specific name drop मत कर भाई.
हाँ, नहीं तो
We lost two viewers right then.
Garware Pavilion is right next to where they walk down from.
Yeah.
First day मैं निकलने वाला था स्टेडियम से. हम लोग इसकी बैटिंग नहीं आने वाली आज. और मैं बाइनोक्यूलर्स लेके गया था एंड आई रिमेंबर अराउंड 3:30 विकेट जाती है. सचिन वॉक्स आउट टू बैट. आई एम लाइक थैंक गॉड.
देख
ये अगर
लिया.
मैं मिस कर देता.
हाँ.
मैं बाइनोक्यूलर लगा के उसको बैटिंग करते हुए देख रहा हूँ. जब सचिन आउट हुआ मैं देख रहा हूँ बैटिंग करते हुए, उसने वो शॉट मारा ऐसे और सडनली साइलेंस. और मैंने बाइनोक्यूलर उतारा. आई एम लाइक ओह शिट, स्लिप पे कैच हो चुका है.
Oh, he got out.
He got out at 77 on day 2. He got out 77 or something in the 70s. उसने बनाया था. But मैं तो सिर्फ सचिन को देख रहा था तो मेरे को लगा I'm like, oh wow, what a nice shot.
I like how you're just admiring him from a distance like a
Yeah.
like a creepy
Like
paparazzi. Like क्या लग रहा है सचिन आज का bicep मस्त है रे.
yeah. Oh, what a story that would
And
be.
then Sachin was fielding right below there, which we
I
towards
remember
the end.
you guys you've been to live cricket, I'm sure, right?
Yeah,
You watch
yeah.
game. Like I remember as a kid I had gone for an India-England game, and in
One day?
Bangalore, no, it's a test game.
Yeah, I even have seen. Is it the 2006 series?
That day,
Munaf Patel and Shri
No,
Sant-
Munaf
Acha,
Patel.
okay,
No,
okay.
no. It was before that.
Okay.
It was like I think it started raining and it rained the whole day, and we played 30 minutes of cricket that day. And both teams came and played football for time pass to please the audience. And then in that half an hour, India lost 5 wickets.
India versus whom? West Indies.
England. I think Azharuddin is the only one who batted and scored some runs.
Yeah.
I see his white helmet. He came and and I was like, I had no binoculars. I was like, I can't recognize who's who except Anil Kumble. I could recognize immediately. The pants were here. Only one guy had the pants.
High pant wearer, yeah.
I mean, he's just got all legs. He's all legs.
एक तो these rules are also abrupt, you know. Like पहले पता चला कि पानी यहाँ पे है, तुम नहीं ले जा सकते अंदर क्योंकि कैलकटा कैलकटा ऑडियंस जब पानी का
Dude,
बॉटल
but honestly, like I will never get tired of repeating this, but Indian cricket administrators treat their fans like shit.
Yeah, I agree,
It is
100%.
fucking shameful
Yeah.
how bad. Like they're literally waiting for a stampede to happen,
Yeah.
for something terrible to happen, and
Yeah.
then they'll wake up. But
Yeah,
there's like
yeah.
this whole like no water, no roof, no
Yeah.
nothing, no food.
Checking
Toilet
for
ganda.
food.
Dude, I don't know if I told you the story. I'd gone for India Sri Lanka match, and after that I was like, I'm not going again.
Which India the World Cup one?
जब ऐसे ही टाइम पास
टाइम पास वाला
टाइम
हाँ
पास
सेम मैं भी एक बीच में लास्ट टाइम पास गेम के
तो
बाद नहीं
टोटल
गया हूँ
25,000 लोग थे वहां पर
हाँ.
एंड दे हैड ओपनड ओनली यूजुअली व्हाट दे डू इज कि वो 6 गेट खोलते हैं
हाँ.
दे हैड ओपन 2 गेट्स
हाँ.
राइट तो एक गेट में 22,000 लोग एक गेट से जा रहे हैं
So still causing issues when there was no need.
Dude, the width of that area to get in was this room.
Yeah.
Right, and imagine 22,000 people or whatever the number is going through that. Me with my son, and literally there's no place. यहाँ नीचे कुछ पडल है, यहाँ पर कुछ वायर एक्सपोज्ड है, कुछ भी चल रहा है.
कुछ भी हो सकता है वहाँ पे.
And literally some pushing started, and I became full like. Fucking just get out. And my son was like, Papa, new words.
No, but you're right. Like even this match, like मेरे को गर्वरे मिला है, which is actually a good stand. मतलब through some of the MCA members. And second day पे मेरे को कॉप रुकाता है, बोलता है binoculars allowed नहीं अंदर. मैंने उसको इतना गंदा पूरा वैसे impassioned, right? मैंने बोला मैं कल लेके गया था ये अंदर. कोई मना नहीं किया. आज आप कैसे मना कर सकते हो? तो वो डर गया. He's like अच्छा आप जाओ फिर लेके
मतलब
जाओ.
it's just arbitrary, just
Yeah,
whatever.
it's arbitrary. Dude, देखो कॉइन लेके जाने अलाउ नहीं करते
हम तो
भाई.
दारू ले जाते थे in our socks because
Yeah.
and like they'll check the first guy and they'll leave the second guy in the group. The first guy won't put it in the socks.
It's just about being like rude to and of course
Yeah.
the cop also. It's a tough job. Like उन लोग का भी कुछ मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि उन लोग ने गेट बंद करने का परमिशन उनको ऊपर से बोला गया है कि गेट बंद कर दो.
No, it's
दो
just
गेट
that
चालू रखो.
you can't use the excuse of India hai in cricket because in cricket we
Yeah,
are
yeah.
the first world, we are
Correct.
the
Yeah.
power. We should
Yeah.
have the best state of the art
If
facility.
80% of the world's cricketing income is coming essentially from Indian fans,
Yeah.
your minimum requirement is to not treat them like shit. Dude, the match gets done.
वेस्ट इंडीज में जो पूल है
नहीं पर वहाँ तो लोग मतलब वहाँ तो 10,000 लोग चले जाते हैं. It's full. But 10,000 people in Garware Pavilion is one row.
वन दैट्स
It's like 9 people sitting on top
बट
of each
बनाओ
other.
ना ऐसा स्टेडियम जहाँ मतलब एकदम बड़ा बना दो, एकदम दुनिया का सबसे
Are you
बड़ा.
talking about Motera Stadium?
वो मोटेरा व्हाट मोटा भाई स्टेडियम.
We got done with the match at whatever time, okay? And it's literally, I'm seeing the crowd go, I'm like, let them go. And again, what you said, cops, it's a crazy job.
Yeah.
They've been at this for a while. Literally, I'm not exaggerating. The last ball has bowled. I'm like, boss, and I was telling the ma'am, I'm like, ma'am, देखिए बहुत भीड़ है पीछे, किसी के साथ कुछ हो जाएगा, फिर एंड में जिम्मेदारी किसकी है? And she's like, नहीं जाओ. And so again, and then it gets worse because now it's darkness, and literally we fell into one side ka this thing, some aunties fallen down. I'm like, this is so stupid. It is so stupid. And so then I realized that if there is an India international match, just avoid it.
Avoid it.
If there's an IPL match, you can take a chance.
Yeah,
Otherwise, it's just,
I agree because at least IPL में because there's so much money riding on it, it's slightly better. I went for the India West Indies match. I went for one of the games, and I remember. Wait, I'm trying to remember the incident. What happened there?
Something for sure.
Something. Now I'm forgetting it. Chalo.
And also, but the thing is that, dude, like I first time I watched a match was 1992 at the stadium where Graham Hicks scored 152 against India.
Okay.
And he hit a 6 of Kapil Dev's bowling, and I asked my dad, I'm like, Papa, ये तो Kapil Dev के साथ पहली बार हुआ होगा. My dad like,
पहली बार.
like छक्के मारा क्या?
ये देखता नहीं है ठीक से क्रिकेट.
And my son asked me similar questions now.
But the thing with going to stadiums, I just want to add what I did love when I did go to watch a couple of times. I went to test matches, and once it was India South Africa, and that match actually happened. and and the banter inside the stands is more entertaining
lot of
than the cricket. And that was Ganguly's rumor of his affair
know,
with
yeah, I know which one.
Nagma. Nagma was going around. So next to me there's a guy who had a huge poster. Don't worry, Saurav, Nagma still loves you. He had written. And Ganguly was bowling, and when he's walking up in the run-up, you can't tell. To us, it looks like he's looking directly
Yeah.
at that, and he's looking angry. And we're like, this time he's coming all the way. Then he's turning and bowling every time.
Same with I saw the first ever test like live match जो मैंने देखा Dravid's 100th test match. And Sachin Tendulkar stand, which is North stand, and Sachin Tendulkar very infamous for like most like notorious actually stand.
Yeah.
ठीक है, they
I don't
will-
think Dravid calls it Sachin Tendulkar stand. But anyway,
it's so
there is some beef.
he calls it 194
We like to-
declare stand.
that one incident,
Incident.
we believe there is.
We believe there
alright?
is beef.
That's all. Enough said.
But anyway, in that match also, I remember, यार बेचारा युवराज सिंह फील्डिंग कर रहा है and they're teasing him with Kim Sharma and I'm like यार वो हमारा player है like
Yeah.
उसको then I remember in fact युवराज giving a statement at some point कि यार मुंबई fans have been very rowdy and yeah and सहवाग के साथ we were like सहवाग मम्मी का फोन आया दूध पी के जा
Dude, but so you
माँ का कॉल वाला
have you
that
been
ad.
recently? Now everybody is like lot. So I think Ishan Kishan was there, and I was trying to start like chants. Okay,
Yeah.
nobody's because there's nobody chanting anymore.
No,
yeah.
So it's like man on a mission, Ishan
Yeah,
Kishan,
yeah,
like
yeah.
easy
Right.
one. Okay, and I'm like man, like nobody's there. There's just six of us. Me, my friend Harisi, are like man on a mission, just six people. Nobody else gives a
Did
shit.
you come up with it man?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah. I was like,
Nice
let's
one.
try something. Let's like
Good
do
one.
something. But
Are you in advertising?
I'm in advertising. I'm Prahlad Kakkar actually, or whoever the bald guy is.
Nuclear fission, Ishan Kishan.
Ishan Kishan is like that.
That should be the title of this episode, Nuclear Fission.
And everybody's just wearing Fallout t-shirts. Dude, so I was watching a match at DY Patil Stadium, which is a very nice stadium to
Yeah.
watch a match. And I saw, and
But not recognized for international matches.
is it?
Yeah, it's a private
Oh.
stadium. उसको नहीं किया उन लोगों ने.
Oh, that makes sense.
recognize,
It was a
हाँ.
very nice. So we went to see IPL match in the middle of the pandemic, and pandemic time was perfect for watching IPL match. Like I took my son for 4 matches because everything was in Mumbai and tickets were available. You could go. So we went to DY Patil having a nice time, and this is the we are in the bottom row and the top row balcony guy. There's just a guy screaming vodka, vodka, just screaming vodka for no reason. Okay, and he's doing this for 15
Is that how
minutes.
you order vodka in DY Patil Stadium?
That's why it's not recognized. And then
DY Patil himself comes to give you the vodka.
suddenly we see a t-shirt descend from top to down. Okay, and this guy's nanga now.
Like Hardik Pandya with the t-shirt.
But not that well body. Okay? And so my son and me are looking at him and laughing. Okay, and the police are like, "Wapis pen, wapis pen," and he's like, "Per niche hai, vodka." so now the cops have to take this t-shirt and go.
Oh
get it.
wow! This is the kind
We're
of
like, this is so entertaining.
Now
so pointless.
This is why the cops are how they are. In the previous game, they had to put one T-shirt up through a pulley system. To send
Imagine
it
these
back.
cops in Australia
Oh my God.
and naked streakers running.
Yeah, I prefer the way cops handle that guy against Rohit Sharma जो किया था उन्होंने अभी
US
US में American cops.
तेज ही कर दिया almost
No,
उसको.
they would have preferred a headshot if they were allowed दूर से.
From a rooftop.
But yeah, but overall
we should wrap up. But before that, we
Yes.
should talk about the one thing we were going to talk about. Amit Mishra has been
Yes, हमने
shooting his mouth off.
Yeah.
What do we feel about that? Firstly, what has he said?
So Amit Mishra said about 5-6 things. Okay.
He never comes with one. He
No,
lump
but
sum.
it's the key I've realized is that you always find cricketers who've not said much to anyone before,
Yeah.
हाँ.
and you interview them for the first time, and they all there,
Yeah, it's
पूरा
all in
बड़ास
there.
निकल रहा है.
everything for 15 years. You're
Yeah.
like, ये भी
You
लो,
need
ये
that
भी लो.
one guy to just stroke it out of them, and then it's
Yeah.
all out.
That's just,
Yeah.
maybe in
Just
10
the
years
other way.
time Sanju Samson.
yeah.
So finally he's vice captain, man. Let's see if
Yeah.
that
Yes.
works out. So he basically said, amongst many things, he said Rohit Sharma should be back in Mumbai Indians if he's captain, which is never going to happen. He said Gill को captaincy नहीं आता,
नहीं
उसको
आता
IPL
है.
में देखा, उसको captaincy बिल्कुल नहीं आता, and he shouldn't be the captain of the Indian team. Then he said रोहित शर्मा के साथ मेरी दोस्ती बनी रहती है, अभी तक भी मैं मिलता हूँ, वो हंसी मजाक चलता रहता है, विराट के साथ ऐसी रिलेशनशिप नहीं है. Then the anchor asked him कि आपको लगता है कि क्रिकेटर्स विराट को रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं? He's like उतना नहीं. So this also struck.
I've never heard this.
Yeah, ये तो अलग ही है पूरा.
And then you start realizing that Amit Mishra was, I think, in RCB. Wasn't he in RCB?
Yeah, I think.
Yeah,
Everyone's been brought in once in the middle of the season.
तू भी आ जा.
They've been pulled out of a commentary role to do RCB and go back. There's like the Vipul Goyal but in reverse. But
So-
possible, huh?
So I think there was something that started at RCB, I assume.
Okay.
And
Antrish,
then-
Antrish, can you
Googling?
check if Amit Mishra
Was at
RCB
RCB?
कुछ connection है?
I'm sure
मैं-
they were. I'm pretty sure he was there. I don't know. Maybe something. And then also this whole thing that happened at LSG has also painted the flavor.
Oh, the
The him screaming at Gambhir.
Naveen Ulak
Naveen
and
Ulak and,
Gautam.
हाँ, Gautam Gambhir.
And then this guy Amit Mishra said कि विराट कोहली बेफजूल में लोगों को कुछ भी बोल रहा था. वो who's that West Indies guy man? Kyle Mayers के साथ ऐसी वो कुछ बोल रहा था, इसको कुछ बोल रहा था, उसको बोल रहा था, और एंड में पीस बनाया गौतम गंभीर ने.
What?
गौतम गंभीर ने आके बोला कि how's your family? That's what he said. Gautam Gambhir went and said how's your family?
They
Virat?
didn't
And I'm
realize-
like, I saw the video at no stage. was
Also-
like, how's your family?
They didn't realize Gautam Gambhir says it as a threat.
Yeah.
How's your family?
Yeah, so far.
It'll be a shame if you don't meet them again. Oh man, but
Was
that's
he?
hilarious.
No RCB connect.
No RCB
Okay, so
connect.
something must be there. I don't know what it is.
But yeah, he's clearly in team Rohit and not team Virat if there is such a...
Which seems
There
to
are
be
these-
most like, I mean, I get it because like I love Rohit.
Yeah.
I get it because
Rohit
he's
is
likable.
more lovable. He's very like lovable and he's like that complete
Careful,
Bombay.
careful.
मतलब
हमें इतना भी comments नहीं चाहिए हमारे वीडियो में.
Jackie
love
Shroff,
both of
Rohit
them,
Sharma.
yes.
We
Yeah.
love both of them.
Yeah.
And of course, like Virat Kohli in an Indian context is of course people को इतना वो मजा नहीं आएगा because वो ज़्यादा बात करता है. Virat
Yeah, but
Kohli
look, I mean,
is a
this-
great player, but India को अभी तक वो आदत नहीं है of having a player who is brash, you know. So I mean, we love.
Certainly my dad can't handle it.
Yeah,
I know
exactly.
that.
हम
I
लोग-
mean, I love Virat and I love angry Virat. Angry
Yeah, I
Virat
love-
is my favorite.
exactly.
Because
Yeah.
I'm like, oh, he's getting riled up. He's going to do something.
If you watch the test, the
Yeah.
Australia वाला,
The
the test, you know, उसमें भी वो लोग बोल रहे कि don't go and
Yeah.
sledge Virat.
Let's
And
leave him alone,
he's an-
man. Just leave him alone.
Yeah, he's an Indian Australian.
And
like,
by the way,
Yeah.
you know, I made the connection very recently about like Virat screaming at the mic saying it's 11 million people versus 1 point whatever. Sorry, 12 million people versus 11 when in South Africa when he's screaming
Super-
with some mic.
yeah.
And I'm like, oh yeah, he's correct because now you start realizing that okay, the sandpaper gate happened in South Africa for a very specific reason.
Yeah.
Because I have a feeling that shit like this has happened elsewhere and it's been little bit under the carpet, right? And so it's very possible that South African like the video operators or whatever,
Yeah.
the telecasters are just like let's catch
Yeah.
them, right? And so again, listen, I don't understand why this bipartisan shit has to be there just because you're complimenting Rohit doesn't.
Yeah.
And we're talking
yeah, we can
specifically
like
about,
both.
yeah.
You can
Yeah,
like
we
both.
love
उसमें क्या
both.
problem है यार?
I like in India how you have to mention everything as a caveat with like
Yeah.
some brackets saying
But what
I love
about-
everybody, but
But yeah, ये because otherwise आ जाएंगे ना सारे. अबे तेरी औकात है क्या कुछ बोलने को साले? ये unemployed बेरोजगार आ जाते हैं क्रिकेट के बारे में बात करने.
तू कमेडियन प्रीमियर लीग
Indians are so associated with cricket, Indian fans, that on football videos, when people comment on, because I watch football also a lot, people comment like, wow, I think De Bruyne should be in the team. People are like, go watch cricket. इतना मतलब है. It's just the association is permanent.
Yeah,
cricket,
it's-
Indian.
Cricket and India, and even like food wise, there's this channel PUBITY, I don't know, is it Puberty? What
Yeah.
do you call
Yeah,
it?
Puberty.
Yeah.
उस पे वो खाने के बारे में वो लोग डाल रहे थे बेस्ट फूड वोट करो ये वो उसमें भी people
Rohit
are like
Sharma.
Rohit Sharma is best food.
best, yeah.
Rohit Sharma is proxy for the actual
Rohit
best
Sharma
food.
is best street food.
No, but what do you think about? I actually think about Gill, right?
Yeah.
Like I'm not. Honestly, I'm still not convinced by Gill
No.
being in the Indian T20 side.
Same.
I agree.
Same.
Yeah.
Given the fact that you have your
Yashasvi, Abhishek Sharma.
yeah,
Yeah,
I
but
mean,
he was Mishra was suggesting Ruturaj as an alternate. I don't think Ruturaj should make the team either.
agreed.
Yeah.
Yeah,
like
yeah.
especially if you're saying like Fraser McGurk and
Yeah.
Travis Head opening on one side.
Exactly.
You are like, dude, you are.
Yeah.
There's no chance.
We are losing that bit of the battle right there,
right
up
there,
top.
yeah.
And everybody is going explosive. And now the next this World Cup, he played fantastically well.
Yes.
The pitches were also a little bit dicey.
Their opening is like they've set the standard now, and in this World Cup, you were saying that India actually fired as our openers fired because Rohit basically
Yeah.
did it. He set the tone,
Yeah.
right? And so we can't go back to the old ways. The 140, 135 strike.
We can't go the 1 over maiden in 2000 and
No.
the last previous
We
T20
can't do
World
what
Cup
Kohli did in the
semi-final.
final, which would have been panned if we lost. Just saying.
अबे तेरी औकात है क्या साले कुत्ते दे गाली दे उसको तू
Like
भी दे
imagine a semi-final is in Hyderabad.
हाँ
I mean, that's it. Like Hyderabad final versus Australia.
Yeah.
And you're like, let's play people who are good at stroking balls. No.
my
You
God.
need explosions.
Yeah.
They'll
Like
murder us.
240 you have to bloody chase.
Yeah.
yeah. They'll hit 450 or
Yeah.
something.
Dude, like I think after India won the World Cup, right? I've just stopped watching cricket.
Yeah.
Like I much like Jadeja and all, I've retired. Like I'm done. I'll start watching now only when I'll rescind my retirement.
Yeah,
When
in
India play against
September.
Australia. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah, थोड़ा
that-
टाइम हम लोग सब ब्रेक ले सकते
It's good for you, man. You can take a break, but हमें तो देखना पड़ेगा
हाँ.
next week, right?
Yeah,
India, Sri Lanka.
crickets,
हमें
yeah.
एपिसोड बनाना ही पड़ेगा,
तो
guys.
तुम लोग ने इंडिया जिम्बाब्वे देखा क्या बिल्कुल?
थोड़ा बहुत
मतलब देखा एंड्रॉइड
नाम का
हेनरी
देखा.
अलोंगा ने 4 विकेट लिया है. पता नहीं.
हेमंग बदानी did really well as well.
Dude, you know who's really excited about India Zimbabwe is all young children who have been watching the World Cup and they're just excited about cricket now.
Yeah.
So they are all like, Papa, did you see India Zimbabwe? I'm like, no, I did not. Nobody's seeing this match.
This is how you bring
except
in the new
But this
generation.
was like we were the same kids. And
Yeah,
like,
yeah,
I
yeah,
remember
yeah,
like
Wow, we went
India,
so
Zimbabwe.
far to Zimbabwe and won.
Why?
It doesn't strike us.
Like he's like, Papa, is India versus Sri Lanka 5 T20s or 3 T20s? I'm like, I have no idea, dude.
But I think we also strategically lost the first game to create interest.
Dude, that made me so happy when we lost.
Yeah.
Right? Because all of these IPL players are like, Zimbabwe kya hai?
Yeah.
I'm like, dude, Zimbabwe in, I think, pandemic times, they got Pakistan out twice for 91 and 99
Yeah.
in T20 matches. And I'm like, you cannot underestimate anybody in any side. You just went like, Array, IPL player. I'm like, no, good. Very good that you were
Yeah.
shown ki boss.
हाँ.
International cricket is not like your playground. Chill out.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
You can't
I really
disrespect
enjoyed it.
your opponent.
Yeah,
But
but that is
Yeah, I think we've covered,
We've covered a
today.
lot
This is
today,
the longest
man. I
episode
didn't-
we've ever done.
sorry Saurabh, we have to stop here.
Listen, we still have 1 hour to discuss Amit Mishra.
This podcast is abandoned due to bad light.
Bad light
And sound.
This podcast is abandoned due to utensils.
Yes, man. It's the DIY. That's why we say subscribe to our podcast.
Yeah. So
CFBR.
we can move from DIY to DY Patil.
Yes.
Eventually.
And you also have to say about what we discussed. What do you think? Leave the comments
Yeah,
on every issue that we had.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how. Yeah, leave it in comments.
CFBR, smash the like button. Don't like,
Yes.
smash.
Are you also a comedian who participated in CCL?
Yeah, tell us your experience.
Experiences. And what was our other hashtag that we started in the last
Hashtag crickheads.
monetize
crickheads.
Get us to 10,000 subscribers.
Yeah.
We need Antariksh here
Yeah.
till the end.
So that we can stop plugging his podcast
Yes.
also.
Hey, do you know on my podcast?
Here we go.
Is the only guy in history to score a 0.
But not in Comedian Cricket League.
Not yet
I
off
was
the mark.
trounced by Sonali Thakkar who got 76.
Oh.
What? 76 and 0.
Why did you pair him with
Sonali.
Because of this only.
Yeah.
He wanted this, yeah.
And famously,
Golden Duck.
Surani called up her husband Aditya and he got 5 points.
The CA of comedy is winning against Saurabh.
The
Oh,
two
man.
answers I knew. I think I just knew 2 answers, and that also one was taken by Aditya Desai with this call, and also you had. I think it took me like the way his game works is that you have to say a name to get the turn. And I got so my brain is so small that I was like, what? And Sonali's already done it 6
Oh,
times.
damn.
Go check out that episode.
Yeah.
Episode, yeah.
He's so happy.
He's so
इतना
happy.
plug हो गया है
इतना
इसका
बहुत plug हो
podcast.
गया है.
और क्या चाहिए? But anything you want to plug? This will be out within the next 2 weeks. So anything coming up?
I have a
after-
show coming up in Hyderabad on 27th and 28th.
Will it be there?
Maybe
Maybe
not.
maybe
We'll
not.
cut it
If not, I have shows in Bangalore on something. And if no, I probably have show by then announced in London and Singapore,
Whoa.
for which I'm going to lose money. So please
Kensington
come.
Oval.
Help him lose less money, guys. That's what.
No,
we can-
Kensington Oval is sorry. I think
It's in West Indies.
West
Yeah.
Indies.
I was
Abhi
like, I
I
was
was-
like, if I
Kia.
went to that, I heard Oval and like kuch to ho gaya.
Kia Oval. Kia Oval.
Kia Oval.
2
yeah.
shows at Darren Sammy Stadium.
And also, check. I've been putting out a lot of stand-up. So if anybody wants to check that out, check
Chalk,
it out.
I'm saying. Check out Saurabh.
Chalk it out,
Chalk
guys.
out Saurabh's Instagram handle and YouTube channel. We're tagging him.
Yep.
Yeah.
And check us out. Keep watching.
Watch our channels as well. Go subscribe. Hit the smash button.
Tell us incidents you want us to talk about in this dry period for Indian
Yes.
cricket, because it's India, Sri Lanka. I know you guys don't care. We also don't really.
Yeah.
So tell us what we should talk about.
And also, please share stories about when you got head while watching cricket. Because that's what cricket is all about, discussing filial
Oh.
involving
I
cricket.
thought-
Wow. I
Dude,
thought-
that happened recently. Didn't
What?
that happen in one of the matches?
Who
is the
got
rumor.
head?
In the stadium.
Travis Head.
Travis Head. Yeah, that's what.
Sorry.
In the stadium, some couple was at it recently in the World Cup.
In the World Cup.
Yeah, yeah,
West
so-
Indies में सब चलता है यार.
It's West Indies, right?
अरे like करो
यहाँ
अरे-
पे वॉडका चिल्ला के पुलिस आ जाएगी. Police will come put a condom on. West
On
Indies-
that note, no cricket podcast has ended on the word condom. So let's do that. Condom.
Condom.
Condom,
Bye
guys.
bye.